Come test drive the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, 8 speakers, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Come take a test drive today.